Hey all, welcome back. So today I'm here with my Glamego box for the month of January, and wow, it's so pretty. Can you see these pictures? It's really nice, and it says hashtag no resolutions. It says say always yes, talk less, listen to him, size 0, no red lipstick, lose tummy, grow hair. So many resolutions, so it's better no say no to resolutions. So it's really nice. Enjoy the life as it comes. When I open it, it says thanks for making Glamego India's #1 beauty box. And then we have all the details about this month's box. So it's Lap of Luxury New Year Glamego box 2018, and we have all the products here. The first one I see is this Bio Bloom's Bath Care handmade soap, which is in the fragrance Romance of Rose. This is 100 grams product. I have used Bio Bloom's all soaps earlier. I really love them. So this one is the soap. Our product of this month's box is from Bio Bloom. This is a skincare face oil. This is age defining radiance booster. This is a 15 ml product, and this is retail at 1499 rupees. That's like 1500 rupees. So Bio Bloom products are paraben free, chemical free, mineral oil free, and this says is 100% natural. It gives radiance and tightens your skin, lightens and rejuvenation. And you have to just use 3 to 4 drops on your fingertips and rub it together and gently press onto your cheeks, forehead and chin, and in a circular motion. Leave it for 30 minutes or leave overnight for best results. So I'm really excited to try this one. So the oil comes in this kind of packaging. It's 100% natural, and you have a dropper here, and I'm really excited to try this one because it says it's for age defining and radiance booster. We have got the Bella Voce the Perfect Gloss lip gloss. We have given option to choose. It's a 599 rupees. Picked up shade Pop of Pink, and this is a 3.2 ml. It's really pretty color, and oh, it suits my nail color, so it's really pretty. I already have so many lipsticks, so I don't want to swatch this one, but this is half the shade. It's really pretty, and this is a 599 rupees, and it's just like matte lipsticks with glossy ones. So it's, it says you have to swipe onto your lips for instant moisturizer. And yes, this is the next product I see is this natural Bath and Body Vital Nourishment Cream. This is of grapefruit and vitamin C. This actually is your lighter, whiter, brighter fix. This is not for sale. This is of 20 ml product. It says wash and cleanse your face, pat dry, scoop out to apply on your face and massage for 1-2 minutes. Use often as required. So this is a face cream from Natural Bath and Body. That's all what I have in the box. Let's see the info card. The info card says Bio Bloom is exclusive for Glamego, which is of 1499 rupees, and then we have the lip gloss, which is of 599 rupees, and then we have this Natural Bath and Body, which is a nourishment cream with vitamin C. It's of 220 rupees, and then we get skincare or makeup from premium brand up to 350 rupees. So I have got this soap as extra product. Yes, this is all I have got, and I'm really happy because I've got the face oil from Bio Bloom, which is really a nice brand. So I've got products really worth of 2600 rupees, and it's really nice, and I like the box. Everything is really good. So yeah, this is all I have in this month's Glamego box. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like this video, and also let me know if you want me to do a detailed review about this face oil. But I'll be starting to use it tonight after filming this, and then I'll let you know how I like this. And yeah, thanks all for watching this video. Take care. Talk to you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.